Hello everyone, welcome to another quick video. In this video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now error currently right now. So what you can do is you have two different things or two different steps that you can do. First step is to keep refreshing, right? Keep clicking F5 until ChatGPT will actually, allow you to go through, right? So what I did is I basically keep refreshing, right, with F5, right, and I keep refreshing until I'm in, right, and then once you're in, right, you can start writing. Now, if this doesn't work for you, what you can do is you can install a ChatGPT plugin. As you can see, I have a ChatGPT plugin right here. What you can do is just go here and type in ChatGPT plugin or add-on for Chrome. You will need to use Google Chrome extension. And then as you can see, this is basically how it looks like. And once you install it, you can actually use ChatGPT without actually going into ChatGPT, right? Which is really, really awesome, right? So for example, if I want here, I can say, translate hello to Russian. And then ChatGPT on the right side will actually translate it to Russian, as you can see, which is привет, right? This is really awesome, guys. So if you want to use ChatGPT, if you have the error, then you can use it through your Google Chrome or through just refreshing ChatGPT over and over again. If the first step does not work for you, refreshing, then go to your ChatGPT Chrome extension, install it, and you will be able to use it in your Chrome on your Google, which is great. So that's basically how to fix it. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.